Hello and welcome back. So, got a question for you today. Do you know what these are? These are these little microphones that you put right here, or that you see just about every content creator on the planet using right now where they're talking. So, these are the wireless, I guess you would say, wireless microphones that you can get a lavalier and plug them in. I've used these ones a lot. This is the Rode Wireless Pro microphones, but this is not what we're talking about. We are talking about a budget friendly microphone like this that works really well and won't break the bank. So let's talk about it. So we have the Fifine M9 wireless lavalier mic system. Um, I do want a little bit of a disclaimer here. They did send these to me, but they did not say what I could or could not say about these. So we're gonna give an honest review of these lavalier microphones. So what do you get in the box? Well, we open the box. You get Fifine does some different stuff with their packaging. You always get this hard case with most of their stuff, which is just amazing. Doesn't come with a box that can be broken in. It's always inside of these hard shell cases. So with that, what do you get in here? Well, you obviously get the microphones, and we'll get that here in a second. And then we get some 3.5 millimeter cables along with some USB to 3.5 millimeter cables to hook up to different devices. So 3.5 millimeter cable, male to male, same thing. And then for a phone. And then you get some windscreens, these little fuzzy things. They go on the top, right? Like rabbit fur. And you get two of those, one for each of the microphones. Okay? And then the microphones themselves. Hard shell, it's got, I don't know if you can see them, but it's got 4 LED lights right there that allow you to tell whether it's charging or if they need charged. On the back, you've got a USB-C cable for power because this is a charging dock. We'll open it up, and you've got 2 receivers and 1 transmitter. So if we open this up, as you can see, it lights up. So we'll pull these out, and I will go ahead and hook one of these up so we can hear what this sounds like. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I've got this hooked up, and right now I'm actually talking through the microphone. I've got one of them on my chest right now. So this is the transmitter. So as you can see from right there, let me flip this over. We've got B is working right now. That's how you will know which one you're using, is which one is transmitting. The other one, it says it's charging, and there are some buttons on the side that we probably should know about. Power button, and then A and B volume control. You can turn this up and down with these buttons right here. On the back side, we've got the charging port, and on this side, we've got a mode switch, and then a pairing button, and then obviously your line out. To pair these, you would just hit that button and then hit the pairing button on the actual receiver right there. And then on the receiver, we've got some buttons also. We've got the pairing button, the USB-C for charging. My camera will focus. There we go. A power button, the microphone, and then this one right here is a noise cancellation. And you'll know it's on by hitting the button. So you might hear some background noise in this one, and we'll go ahead and test the sound, the active noise cancellation on this here in just a second. So as you can see, I'm using it. It's right here. But we need to test something to see how this noise cancellation works. So in the back right here, I've got this little air purifier thing right here, and we're going to plug that in right here, and we're going to turn it on and see how good this noise cancellation actually works. So give me a second to get it over here. All right, so we've got this right here, and obviously I'm not going to be able to hear whether the noise cancellation is working or not. I'll check it after the fact, and then I'll pop back in this video and tell you whether or not it works or not. But we'll go ahead and turn it on its highest setting. Without the active noise cancellation on, we will put it near this fan that you may or may not be able to hear right now. So there is that. Now let's go ahead and turn on the active noise cancellation or the noise suppression on this. So it's on right now, and I'll show you that the light is on. So the light is on, indicating that it's working, and we'll go ahead and put it over to that and see if it'll actually cancel the noise out. Okay, so here it is again with the noise cancellation off. That was with it right on top, and this is what it would sound like from this distance away. Still a little bit of a floor, so let's turn it back on. Okay, so it's on. I'm looking at the audio on OBS right now, and it's not showing anything, whereas before it was showing something from this distance. Now let's see how it goes on the other side. So there you go. Those are the Fifine M9s. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to go and check these out. It's a nice little microphone. It sounds pretty decent. The noise cancellation is actually really good if you're at a distance. And yeah, for the price of these, I mean, if you're content creation, you're outside, you need a microphone, you don't want to carry around one of the big microphones, this is the way to go. So that being said, thank you guys again for watching. Do all that stuff with like, subscribe, notifications, all that stuff, because it does help push out the video. And go check these out, and I'll see you on the next one.